What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here. Today we're talking about gold and silver prices moving higher. They had a big jump up today. We'll talk about why that's going on, and also I want to talk about how much silver you should own. Okay, let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, first off, let's take a look at what's going on with precious metals prices. So here is a snapshot I took about an hour ago. Gold had breached $1,700 an ounce. It's up $35.55 on the day. So this is a huge jump up for gold, but it pales in comparison to what silver did. Silver is at $20.71 an ounce. This is a massive jump up. It's up $1.54 on the day. Now, if you look at the gold silver ratio, you can see the GSR has gone down over 5 points. So silver is moving up extremely fast. It is skyrocketing compared to gold. So now we get to the question, why is all of this happening? Well, in the Jim Wyckoff article today over at Kitco News, we can see the headline, Safe Haven Buying Boosts Gold, Silver Prices Sharply Higher. So if we scroll down, I'm not going to read this whole thing. In fact, I just want to get to the highlights. And I think this is probably the reason that gold and silver are shooting up today. The marketplace is uneasy to start the month of October, which history shows can be rocky for the stock and financial markets. There are reports and rumors swirling that investment bank Credit Suisse may be in serious financial trouble. Global stock markets were mostly lower overnight. Markets in mainland China were closed for a holiday. U.S. stock indexes are firmer at midday on corrective rebounds after hitting new for the move lows last Friday. So I think this is basically what's going on. People are worried. If there's big problems over at Credit Suisse, we could see definitely some stock market fluctuations, big drops. And, people are putting their money into precious metals because it's a safe haven. It's a safe place to store your wealth when there's lots of uncertainty. Now, one thing that I want to point out is over the last few years, we have seen lots of inflation. And typically, when people are worried about inflation, they would put their money into precious metals, gold and silver. And that has not really been going on this year. It's kind of surprising, right? But another reason that people put money into precious metals is when there's uncertainty in the stock market. If they're worried about their portfolio taking a big hit, then they would move some of their wealth over into gold and silver. And I think that is probably what's going on today. So the question is, how much of your wealth should be in silver? If we take a look at another article that came out today, the headline is Oxford Economics says 4 to 6% allocation in silver will be optimal over the next 5 years. Now, if you don't know what Oxford Economics is, basically it's an independent economic advisory firm. So, it's these people that they say, okay, maybe you should put your money into this, put your money into that. Well, now they're saying you should have 4 to 6% allocation in silver. So if we just say, okay, let's take 5%, we'll just take an average of the two, and you have a $100,000 portfolio, then you should have $5,000 in silver. If you have $1 million portfolio, then you should have $50,000 in silver. And to me, this seems really low. Now, obviously, I'm a stacker. I'm a firm believer in silver. And so I have probably a lot more of my portfolio in silver than just 5%, but I do think this is a good starting place. All right, now I am curious what all of you think about the price of silver and gold going up today. Do you think this is the start of a new trend? Are we getting into another bull cycle here where we could see silver go to new highs? Feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Also, how much of your portfolio do you think should be in silver? They're saying about 5%. For me, it's a lot higher. I would probably lean more towards like 20, 25%. But obviously, look, I love silver. I'm a silver stacker. So for me, it's going to be much higher than most people out there. But anyway, leave your thoughts down below in the comments section. I want to say a massive thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.